started the childcare offer January this year, where we had a process to register with the Children's Information Service to complete the registration form and the contract with themselves before the parents could access the funding. The parents have said it's very easy and simple to use. Currently we've got 14 children using the funding this term. Parents have commented about how easy it is to access the 30 hours free, which helps them to save money but also prepares them for school. There's a team from the Family Information Service readily and available to help you through this process.
So I heard about the childcare offer with the family information. A parent came to me and asked me about it, so I thought, oh gosh, I might look into it. I was a bit apprehensive at the start because I thought, oh gosh, it'd be a hassle, but I was really wrong. I phoned up and I asked for some advice and they told me to go online and sign up, which was actually really easy to sign up to. So I've got 2 children using the childcare offer at the moment. They're really benefiting from it. And I've also noticed that they're actually booking in for more days with me, so it's also bringing extra business to me. They're using childcare during the holidays for their children, and the parents have come back to me and they've also said that the application process is actually really easy once they've started it up. They put their dates that the children are in with me in online, and then I go on and just confirm that they've been at my premises and that they've had the days in my childcare, and then I get the payments through and they're really prompt and they are there on the day. So it's really easy. Really advise it to other childminders to sign up because it's been really beneficial to myself and to the parents.
Childcare offer has been really successful here with us in Llandovery. We've had a lot of parents questioning us about it, and luckily I've been able to answer a lot of them questions because I went to the briefing that the Family Information Service set up earlier last year. We have only got a handful of children at the minute coming, but we've got a bigger influx in September that are starting with us. One of our parents have actually been able to go back to work full-time due to the offer, and the children are coming here more regularly, which has given them more continuity, preparing them for school, which is the whole point of the offer, really. As a provider, the registration process was really simple. It was all online. Any queries that I did have, the childcare offer team were available to answer any questions. I phoned them on behalf of parents. They've been able to answer questions straight away over the phone. The payments are regular. There's been no hiccups with them. It's all been very smooth running so far, really. Our Young Dragons After School Club is a lot busier now as well because of this offer, because parents have been able to register for holiday provision through the 30 hours childcare offer, which sees them being able to pick up more shifts over the summer holidays, and the children not losing out and coming to have fun with their friends, really.
For us, it's given us peace of mind that obviously we've been given money on time, payments on time, and also that we're in control of those payments, and it's also given us a chance to help the families make sure that they do pay us, and that if there's any they need any assistance, then obviously they can help us. We can help them by giving them step-by-step guides how to use the system themselves. The benefits we found for the parents or the carers that use this 30-hour funding offer is that it gives them peace of mind. As you can imagine, childcare costs can be quite expensive and can be a burden financially on children, on families, sorry. So that take that away, then obviously they're more relaxed, and I imagine then the home is a more relaxed atmosphere as the burden of payment for childcare has been taken away from them. In regards to the benefits to the child, I'm sure they don't understand the whole process that has to go through to obtain these 30 hours fundings, but to have a happy mum and dad, or to have a happy parents at home, I'm sure is a bonus for them, as the fact that payment has been given to them by the government for their childcare, that they have happy atmosphere at home. Well, following attending the course back in 2018, I found the process of applying to be a registered care provider on this system a very easy one, thankfully, because we were giving a step-by-step guide during that course, and I've used that as my Bible when I actually do then go online to be able to confirm attendance and obviously to make a payment claim. So I found it very useful. Overall, I think it's a fantastic thing to do because being a parent myself, money goes out very quickly rather than coming back in. So to have that tiny bit of help is a great thing, and also I would recommend anybody that is thinking about taking this up to do so. It's quite easy, and the Family Information Service along with Carmarthenshire and Ceredigion County Council are just a phone call away, and they're more than happy to help you.
We started with a childcare offer a few months ago, well a good few months ago actually, following a briefing session which Gwenllian went to. And we then forwarded some documents to all our parents that were eligible for the scheme, that had children over 3 years old. And we've kept doing that as the children have been coming up through the nursery. As soon as they hit the term after their 3rd birthday, or just before that really, we give them a leaflet and tell them about this offer. What this offer really, and it's quite exclusive in this manner, this is probably the only benefit that working parents can have which helps them towards paying for their childcare costs. And although a lot of parents use childcare vouchers, which is a tax saving, this is actually paying for their childcare up to 20 hours a week. Which gets paid directly to us. We obviously had to register. That wasn't the easiest of systems, but once it's up and running, it really is quite simple on our part and on the parents' part. But it's just getting over that initial registration, getting yourself in, and then you're away to go, basically. It's enabled a lot of children to stay within the nursery with us. Otherwise, to be honest, perhaps grandparents would have picked them up after school, and therefore their learning is extended from the time they're here at lunchtime till 6 o'clock, or from 8 o'clock in the morning until they go to school at 1:45, until they leave us at 1:45, depending which half day that they have. This has enabled a lot of parents actually to keep their children here until they're full-time in school. The other thing that it also covers, during school holidays, parents can actually have 3 days a week paid for here. We're open 10 hours, so they have 30 hours of childcare during holidays because schools are closed. And that's a huge help.